this once at 139. These hills here. I got this thing set that once it hits the max that it will hit, it'll just save that. Another hill we're going to climb real quick here in a second. And we'll see if it's going to move up. Everybody like my green hat? I bought that at a truck stop. Yeah. It's a Zay hat. Zay. Here we go. Our climbing. Everything's a little bit warm. As far as the turbo and all that. I don't know. We'll see if it's going to go about 139 on this climb right here. Anything above 100 in an enclosed area is supposed to evacuate the area. I've got readings of 200 before, 700 on this trip right here. So I've never got a leak. Down the slide. Maybe not. Anyways, we're over the limit of that little bit of a hill. You get enough of those throughout the day, you'll start to feel it.